Hello and welcome to Tech Scout. The best 3D pens allow you to turn simple 2D sketches into fully realized three-dimensional designs. Designed to be safe for both children and adults, these pens become really fun once you get used to them. 3D pens are especially great for making small fixes to your existing 3D prints or adding handcrafted details to your designs. However, it is important to mention that working with these pens is not as easy as it may seem at first. Our advice for beginners is to have plenty of extra filament because you will go through a lot of it while learning. In this video, we will take a look at the best 3D pens on the market and see which model is the right fit for different types of users. And we have a little surprise for you. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away one of the products we reviewed, valued between $200 and $500. To enter, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Number 5. MYNT3D Super. Best budget 3D pen. If you do not want to spend too much, the MYNT3D Super 3D pen is a great option. It is very similar to the Pro model with the same gear mechanism and replaceable nozzle design. However, it comes at a much more affordable price compared to other models on this list. Of course, there is a reason for that. This model does not have an OLED display or an advanced temperature adjustment feature. Instead, it has a temperature control screw that allows you to switch between ABS and PLA materials, meaning you are limited to these two types of filament. Even so, it is easy to use and delivers impressive performance for the price. The package includes the pen itself, 3 different colors of ABS plastic filament, and an adapter that supports a wide voltage range. Overall, if you are looking for an affordable yet functional 3D pen, the MYNT3D Super is a solid choice. Number 4. 3 Doodler Flow. Best 3D pen for beginners. If you have never used a 3D pen before, the 3 Doodler Flow is an excellent option to get started. Its ergonomic design ensures that even first-time users will have an easy experience. For more experienced users, it also includes an integrated LCD screen, as well as dual speed and temperature controls, which allow for more precision. This pen works with 1.75mm plastic filaments and supports PLA, ABS, and wood filaments. The package comes with 8 different colors of filament, and it also includes a comprehensive guidebook. The wide variety of materials and guide resources make the 3 Doodler Flow a perfect choice for those who are new to using these kinds of tools. Once you get the hang of it, you can upgrade to the same brand's 3 Doodler Pro Plus model to experience more professional-level features. Number 3. SUNLU SL300. Best 3D pen for patching up repairs. If you are into 3D printing, you have probably heard of SUNLU. This manufacturer of 3D printing materials and accessories is one of the most reputable and trusted brands in the market, so you can feel confident about the quality of their products. In terms of features, this pen comes with an impressive 8 levels of digital speed control for more precise cooling, and it also features a patented nozzle that offers lower temperatures and an improved safety index. Additionally, it can be connected to an external power supply, which makes it very convenient for on-the-go use. The pen also has automatic material loading and unloading, making material swaps a breeze. Plus, it is really easy to use. This pen is especially great for those looking for a reliable and affordable option to make small repairs to their 3D printed models. If you have ever struggled with making repairs, the SUNLU SL-300 might be the exact solution you need. Number 2. 3 Doodler Pro. Best for professional use. If you are looking for a truly creative and professional 3D pen, the 3 Doodler Pro is an excellent option. This pen is designed for artists and craftsmen and has been updated with a new version for 2025. Being an industrial-grade 3D pen, it offers great precision and control, making it ideal for design and prototyping. The ergonomic button design ensures comfort while using it. As for the new features, the pen comes with a variable control dial and an upgraded display. It can print with materials like wood, steel, and copper. This means it can work with filament types that other pens on the market cannot, giving you a wider range of creative possibilities. Additionally, it is compatible with full-sized 1.75mm filament spools, as well as 3 Doodler Flow mini spools, which makes it a great choice for those who already own a 3D printer. Currently, this pen is only available in the United States. Another drawback is the price. At $199, it is quite expensive, which might be too much for most people. However, for its intended audience, the 3 Doodler Pro is a valuable investment that offers top-tier performance. Number 1. MYNT3D Pro, best overall 3D pen. The MYNT3D Pro is lightweight and ergonomically designed, providing a very comfortable experience. Its modular nozzle design is easy to clean and replace. This pen is equipped with advanced features that experienced users will appreciate. You can adjust the speed and flow of the plastic filament for finer control. Additionally, you can make precise temperature adjustments in 1-degree increments, and the OLED display makes it easy to monitor these settings. Unlike many other 3D pens, the MYNT3D Pro supports a variety of filament types. Not only does it work with ABS and PLA, but according to MYNT3D, it can use any thermoplastic material. The pen is powered by USB, which means you can create 3D drawings even when you're away from a wall socket, as long as you have an adapter, laptop, or a powerful power bank with at least 2A output. The only downside is the price, which may be a bit too high for beginners and children. However, considering its features, I can confidently say that it is the best overall 3D pen available. If you want to start creative projects with a 3D pen and need professional-level performance, the MYNT3D Pro is definitely the right choice. And that's a wrap on our review of the best 3D pens currently available. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a professional tool, there's definitely something for everyone on this list. Remember, the right 3D pen depends on your needs. Whether you're doing simple repairs, exploring creative projects, or taking your designs to a whole new level, don't forget to subscribe for a chance to win one of the products we reviewed, valued between $200 and $500. Which 3D pen caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear your thoughts. If you are thinking about getting one, do not forget to check out the links in the description for more details and the best deals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and happy 3D drawing!